Case 5. Bracket forms. Examples. If 3 into bracket 2a minus b equals to a, express b in terms of a. Solution. We have 3 into bracket 2a minus b equals to a. The first thing to do is to expand the brackets. Expanding the bracket, we have 3 times 2a. What do we have? That is 6a. 3 times minus b, we have minus 3b equals to a. Then in this case, the next thing for us to do is to collect the like term. Collecting the like term will bring a to this side, and we take minus 3b to this side. Now we have 6a minus a. Then by the time minus 3b is coming to this side, it becomes plus 3b. Now in this case, 6a minus a, that is minus 1a. This a is same thing as 1a. So 6a minus 1a will give us 5a equals to 3b. Now I want to make b the subject of the formula. So it means that we divide both sides by the coefficient of b, which is 3. So we have 5a divided by 3 equals to 3b divided by 3. So in this case, what do we have? 3 here 1, 3 here 1. Hence, we have b equals to 5a divided by 3. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.